I'm Johnny. Welcome to my hobbies, Johnny's Hobbies. Here we are. Vegetable soup. A hearty, healthy, so tasty vegetable soup. You keep watching, I will show you what the one secret ingredient is. There are many ingredients, mostly vegetables, but this one ingredient made this soup. Made it. I will not make another soup without it again. You might be surprised, or you might call me an idiot, bad word. There are kids that watch this show. I don't want to call anyone something negative. Positivity. Positive Johnny. Posy Johnny. I don't think that works. Are you trying to eat healthy? Are you trying to eat healthy? Just like everyone else. Yeah, me too. How original. I've got this granola bar thing. Not a good thing. Peanuts and chocolate. I eat too many. So, 2021, post 2020. I'm trying to eat healthy, trying to be healthier. Maybe you are too. So let me show you something I've been trying. Vegetable soup. I'm Italian, I use my hands. I don't know why I did that. So stay tuned, watch this soup, watch this video, and watch me make and eat this soup. Hearty, healthy vegetable soup. I'll show you how to do it. A little how-to video. How-to video. So we're gonna start with some carrots. Skin them first, shave them down, peel them. Yeah, then we're gonna slice them into rounds like I'm doing here, but don't try and do it so fast. It's just that the video footage is sped up. It helps to hide my poor chopping form. How great. Now, the same thing with the celery. Did you know that these are called aromatics? I think it's because they're not the sexiest of vegetables. They're not very romantic. They're aromantic. Aromatic. Yep. Mushrooms. More mushrooms. Very good. Ooh, broccoli. I love broccoli. We're gonna cut them into some florets. Florets, so many broccoli branches. Next we have our onion. Oh, the inside of that onion was a little bit moldy and rotten, which was very discouraging. It was very discouraging. Oh, look at that, it's so bad. Fortunately, look, we have another onion. Do you know the secret of cutting onions without crying? It starts with a daily meditation practice. Now, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. And by that we mean like 7 to 9, 10. Just use the rest of the head that you have there. Get those all peeled, crush them, dice them up. Dice. Chop. Garlic. Some arborio rice, made most popular for its risotto. Got some big kale here. Let's strip those leaves, strip the stems up, strip the leaves from the stems. Look at the ingredients spread out. Now let's get some olive oil on that pan, heat it up over, medium heat, medium high. Start with the onions. We want to get those to cook down a bit, become a little translucent. When they start to turn brown, you know that you're burning them. Onions turning transluce. Let's add the rest of those aromantic veggies. You got the carrots and the celery. Throw the mushrooms in there too. They're gonna need some time to release their liquid, as you say. Wave a magic hand over there. Give it a stir. Add in that garlic last. We just like to give it a quick cook. We don't want it to burn. I don't know. One thing about adding broccoli is it turns from green to bright neon green. I will admit, one animal was harmed in the making of this soup. A day or two before the soup, we roasted a chicken, and we used the carcass and the bones of that chicken to make the broth. And that broth is what I used to make the soup. I actually feel a lot better getting that out, getting that off my chest. But you substitute my broth with a vegetable broth, and you have a vegetarian, vegan, vegetable, healthy, hearty soup. Mine is just a vegetable soup, healthy and hearty, made with the broth of dead animal bones. Pretty good. Going too far. Okay, and here is that broth. Cooked it in the crock pot for about a day and a half. It's got some carrot, celery, onion, some bay leaves, some salt, pepper, I don't know, some broth. Cooked it down, strained it out. Add that to all the vegetables. And now we're gonna stir it around, bring it up to a simmer, which is like a low boil, little bubbles. Give it a thumbs up, cover it, help all that heat stay inside. Brings it up to a bubbling simmer faster. And once we're about simmering, we're gonna add the arborio rice. You can use any rice. We're gonna simmer that for 15-20 minutes until the rice is pretty tender, and then stir in the kale. And now it's secret ingredient time. This is what I was talking about. Am I crazy? A lemon, the acidity, adding it at the end when the kale is cooked down, made it so good. And watch me eat a hearty, healthy, so tasty vegetable soup. This is me eating that soup, leaning in to express how good it tastes. Really good. Oh, something was missing. What am I gonna get? Oh look, oyster crackers for soups and oysters. Put about a week's worth of supply into that bowl. Stir it around. This allows for between 1 and 4 crackers per spoonful. Now it may look like I'm eating this very quickly. That's in part because this footage is sped up so fast for the sake of the video, but mostly because I ate this very quickly. It was really good. Still going. This is me saying, it's really good, you should have some. Yay! Yummy, yummy, in my tummy. Line is in sight. Does that many oyster crackers detract from the healthiness of the soup? Ta-da! Thank you for coming once again.